Do you want to be scouted by potential employers, solve real business problems, and experience a unique way of connecting with industry reps? Let me tell you about our new Skills Accelerator Program. Hey everyone, it's the Career Center here, and our new Skills Accelerator Program is a 3-hour intensive case study. Each program is hosted by an employer where you will work in small groups attempting to solve a real-life problem a company currently faces. This program is selective and only a limited number of students will be shortlisted for this event. After registering on CNLX, you'll be asked to answer a few questions and be selected by the company representatives to participate. During the event, you and your teammates will work together tackling the problem and then will be able to present your ideas to the company representative. So use this as an opportunity to showcase your skills, ask questions, and make a lasting impression. Professionals from various business units may use this to identify potential candidates for their fast-track hiring process or other opportunities behind the scenes. Spots are very limited, so make sure to apply on CNLX and answer the questions to ensure your potential entry for this event. Good luck and see you there. Bye!